must have left it on. Sorry.
It's okay.
There's a bird who sings a song of a lost kingdom amongst the trees that echo as drains. There's an ark.
Hey everyone. So, friends, family, hello. People I don't know, hello. Today we're hanging out outside of Guatemala City where we stay. We actually stay up a hill, up that way. Don't have to turn the camera. And so really, what we've been up to last 2 days is we've been working with the Street Revolution. Yesterday we went back out on the streets and just kind of hung out, got to know some of the guys again. Some of them remembered us, some of them obviously not, but it's all good. We got to play some card games, and it was good to see familiar faces and just the opportunity to speak into lives and with broken Spanish try to make conversations. It usually lasts about, I don't know, I can make it around 6 minutes and then they usually move on. But I know I'm supposed to be here, so it's gonna be okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Jenna. We are in the city of Mexico, which is right outside of Guatemala City. Well, we just wanted to touch base and talk about our last couple days working with the Street Revolution. Today's our second day, and yesterday was our first, and it sure was quite the welcome. We had a very eventful morning. So our first group that lived in the streets that we got to go and visit, they were great. Some remembered us from last year, which was awesome. We remembered most of them. But then out of nowhere, this young man who was living on the streets but was not part of this particular group approached the group, and he started a fight. And they started the fight right next to me. Actually, they were just a few feet away from me, and it got violent really quick. They started kicking him, punching him, and out of nowhere they pulled out a hatchet and a knife. So we prayed that he would be okay, and then David stepped in at the end when they wouldn't let him go, and he asked them to have mercy on the young man, and finally they let him go. But it was I can't explain how intense it got really quick. So it was a reminder to us it reminded us that the streets are a dangerous place, but more than that, they're a place that need the love of God, that need people to bring hope and love to them. So we're glad that we are back in Guatemala and excited for everything that God has for us, really.